Alright guys, everyone, welcome. Today we'll be looking at a past paper question. Functions, it's function. I didn't put that on the board, sorry about that. But it's a function question and I want you guys to pause the video and attempt it. Alright, the first one says f of x is equal to 4 minus 5x and g of x is equal to x squared plus 1, and you have to find f negative 2, and b says you have to find g of f of negative 2 and c f inverse of f 4. So I want you guys to just try that. Alright, pause the video. Alright, welcome back guys. So as we said earlier, it's a function. So what we need to do is to plug negative 2 into this function. So whenever we see x, we're going to replace it, because what happened, this is the function, this is the input, and when we compute we get the output, as I said before. So f of x is 4 minus 5x. So all we're doing is replace x with negative 2. Right, so it's 4 minus 5 times negative 2. Remember the bonus rule, we multiply first, so negative 5 times negative 2, that's positive 10. 4 plus 10, so that's equal to 40. So that's our answer, 40. The next one says g of f negative 1. Alright, so what this is saying, this is a composite function. So what we're going to be doing is to combine g and f. Now there's a simple rule that you can follow and you write all the time. So f is the last function, so you write back the last function first, because we're going to combine it, right? Or the closest last one. So g of f. Alright. So f says 4 minus 5x. Now this becomes your x in g. And g says x squared plus 1. So we're going to square this and plus 1. So see, it's like writing about g now, but this is our x now. So x squared plus 1. And we know if you expand already, right? This mean multiply by itself, so it's 4 minus 5x. Alright, so we're going to use 4 times all of this in the bracket. Not actual steps, not actual steps. And then we use negative 5x times all of this again, which is 4 minus 5x. So 4, 4, 16. 4, 5, that's negative 20x. Negative 5 x times 20 times 4 is negative 20x. And negative 5 times negative, that gives us positive 25x squared. Right? So we're going to borrow some other space here. Alright, we're not done yet. Just borrow some other space here. Alright, so I'm going to just rewrite it. So it's 16 minus 20x minus, oh, x must be on this, minus 20x plus 25x squared. And what we will do now is to replace x with negative 1. So this is g of f of x, and what we'll do now is to replace negative 1. So anywhere we say x, negative 1. You know the steps already. Alright, so it's 16 minus 20 times negative 1 minus 20 times negative 1 plus 25 minus negative 1 squared. So, oh, the plus 1. Alright, so 16, this is going to become plus, so it's 16 plus 20 because a negative times a negative. Alright, we're going to square the 1 first and we'll get positive. So we're going to add 25 plus 1. Alright, so this is 40, this is 65, so 65 and it's 17. So 75 times 2. So answer is 82. I'm sure you guys got that. Alright, we're going to do the next one, which is f inverse of the negative. F inverse 4. So all we have to do is find the inverse of f and then plug in 4 for x in the function. Alright? And if it was 2, we'll put 2 in there. You get it? Alright. inverse. So the inverse now, we're going to replace f of x with y. So it's y is equal to 4 minus 5x. We put x now for y and y for x. And then we solve for y. So we're going to make y the subject. So we get rid of this 4, which is minus 4. So minus 4 here. So we get negative 5y. And then now we divide by negative 5 because we want to get y by itself. So this represents f inverse of x, which is equal to x minus 4 over negative 5. So now you are required to plug 4 in the function, which is right here. So f4, so it's 4 minus 4 upon negative 5, that's equal to 0 upon negative 5, so that is equal to 0. Remember, a number, you can divide it, a number can, 0 can be divided by a number, but we cannot divide by 0. So if 0 was here, it would be undefined. Alright, so the answer is 0. Remember to share, guys, and big up everybody. What, 700 subscribers? Yeah, good rate. Continue to support, and we are going to go hard. So when we reach 1,000, them time the channel beginning, we not say nothing yet. Be a distinction I go drop on this. Watch. I'm out, guys. Remember to share, subscribe if you have more than one email. Yeah, subscribe and make it go larger. Alright? Big up on yourself. I'm out. 7 minutes exactly. You get it?